In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enhance your forms with Jotform using the Form Calculation Widget. Let's dive in and get started with customizing your appointment request form to suit your exact needs. First, open up your web browser and head over to the Jotform form builder by navigating to your appointment request form. Once you're there, you'll see a screen that gives you access to a variety of customization options. Start by looking for the option to add elements. It typically resides on the left side of your screen, but this can vary slightly depending on your layout view. This area allows you to insert all sorts of enhancements to your form, making it more interactive and tailored to your workflow. You'll see a series of tabs and options where you can add different elements that suit the requirements of your form. Once you've found the Add Elements section, look over to the Widgets tab. The Widgets section is where you can integrate more advanced functionality into your form. Widgets are more than just simple form fields. They allow you to amplify the utility and aesthetics of your form significantly, offering unique tools ranging from date pickers to signature fields. Having clicked into the Widgets tab, the next step is to locate the Form Calculation Widget. This particular widget is perfect if you need to compute specific values within your form. It's a powerful feature that can automatically perform calculations based on fields you select, streamlining the data collection and processing process. So, find Form Calculation from the list and click on it to incorporate it into your form. Now that the Form Calculation widget is ready, you'll want to proceed by clicking on Add Field. This button allows you to select a field you desire to include in your calculations. For example, if your form includes quantities and unit prices, you can select those to compute totals automatically. It simplifies the process, ensuring that your form becomes smarter and more user-friendly. Once you've carefully added the desired fields into your calculation, review your setup to ensure everything is configured correctly. This step is crucial to ensure the widget behaves as expected and aligns with your objective for that form. After your review is complete, all that's left is to click Done. By doing this, your form will save the new calculations, embedding them as a functional part of the form infrastructure. At this point, your Jotform is now equipped with a powerful tool to automatically compute data, enhancing both its interactivity and efficiency. That's it. You've now learned how to add a form calculation widget to your Jotform form. With these steps, you can make your forms more dynamic and functional, streamlining data collection and improving user interaction. Feel free to experiment with different configurations and designs that fit what you're aiming to achieve. Thank you for tuning in, and happy form building.